Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. I am making this video the late evening of Monday, the 30th day of June 2025. When people were living their normal life in Zamfara state today, the bandits, I'm talking about the terrorists, they just invaded their home and they started running for safety. And this is what we don't want to happen to our families. This is what we don't want to happen to us. This is what we don't want to continue to be happening in our communities, where you will just be living your free life and what you will see is just terrorists invading your homes in a broad daylight. While I was growing up, in the midnight, like if you want to sleep at night, you go and close your gate, lock the whole door, because you don't want armed robbers to come into your house, right? But now, these people operate broad daylight. That shows the authority they have. Take a look. All right, that was what happened today, and I want us to look at this comment. I have seen this comment from 5 persons just today, so I decided to respond to this comment with a video, and this is what this comment reads. It is from Innocent Dominic. He was reacting to the video I posted about the killings in Igbo land, and this is what he wrote. My brother, you are doing a very great job. My suggestion is to try bringing in your report some positive reports and information to balance the flow report. I mean good news. All right, Mr. Innocent Dominic, and to other persons who are, concerned about my news that I should start bringing out good news. There is no problem about that. First of all, I want to say that if I have good news, I will bring good news, right? My area of report is different. My area of report is totally different from others. I am a conflict reporter. And a conflict reporter is based on conflicts and wars, how they started, what is going on currently, what could happen in the future, who caused it, who are responsible for the conflict. I report all these things with clarity and without bias, nothing but the truth. I speak reality out of issues. Now, as a conflict reporter, I understand your concern, Mr. Dominic, that I should try to bring good news. There is no problem about that. Send the good news, okay? If you have good news about the insecurity in Nigeria, send it to me. Maybe I don't know what you are calling good news, because the good news I am expecting is that one day the people in Nigeria, I mean the human beings, we the people, will rise up and defend ourselves from this imposed insecurity on us. This insecurity is an imposed one. It is being funded by people in government, and a lot of things has been happening. So the good news I want to report is that all this killing has ended. That is the good news I want to report. The good news I want to report is that people have, stopped dying from all these cowards who call themselves terrorists while going from one city to the other, killing the people. That is the good news I want to report. I will be happy to do that. I am anxiously waiting for the day I will wake up and everything will become the things of the past. But how will it be possible when the people who are supposed to stop all these things going on are the one causing it? How will it be possible? Now, let me take you back. This is for the interest of the general viewers and my fans. You see, I did not just wake up and start this conflict reporting. And I am preparing more on it. By August, a new thing is going to come in about this conflict reporting, because I can see that we are not even trying, including myself. We need more hands. We need to collaborate, because things are happening in Nigeria from north to south, east to west. People are dying anyhow. A lot of evil are going on. People must know what is going on. Now, fast track to 2 years ago, when I started focusing strictly on this conflict reporting, was when I started seeing that people are dying from my village. People are dying from my neighboring village. My state was under siege. Delta State was under siege, and is still under siege. And I see that nobody is reporting all these things. So it shows that nothing is going on, but the real people are dying. Everybody who is just relying on the news to know what is going on in Nigeria will think that, oh, nothing is going on right there, but the real people are dying. They are no longer going to the farms. The evil was going on, and no one is reporting it. I say there is a problem. There is a breach of communication. Somebody must fill in this vacuum. And that is why, coming to YouTube here to say what I want to say, to report all these things, is not my destination. I am going to somewhere. I am looking at a day where we can even have a very big, broadcast station, like television station. Yeah, it's not bad. If we have good news about this insecurity issue, we are going to report it. Right from 2013, 2014, when these people intensified this insecurity for the purpose known to them, a lot of evil has been happening. And most of these evils are not on Facebook. They are not on YouTube. They are not on TikTok. People are not reporting them. We know what is going on in Nigeria. And very soon, there is nothing that will happen in Nigeria that will not be on internet, unless the people don't want to, report it from their homes. Very soon, a lot of things will change about this reporting system. So it's not going to be only Okocha happy Marcel. It is going to be a collective effort. So, not to say much, Mr. Dominic, thank you for your concern. Thank you to all my fans. Thank you to all subscribers. Thank you for everyone who is wishing the people well, the people of Africa at large, especially West Africa, that is in siege of this Islamic state of West African provinces swap, because they are the father of all these terrorists you are seeing. So I so much thank everyone who is showing concern. For those of you who are not showing concern, for those of you who still think that this thing is surmountable by changing a regime, by removing Tinubu, putting another person, they did it with Jonathan. What was the result? What was the result? It was a disaster. The same thing is going to happen. So all these things you people are doing is not the solution. The solution is that we are not meant to live together. It is insane for you to think that Israel and Palestine can live together. It is not going to be possible, not in this life and not in the life to come. That was the mistake the British made in Nigeria as well. Like India and Pakistan, you see sometimes India will fire Pakistan missile, Pakistan will fire India missile. These people were in one country, but they separated because Islamic Pakistan and Hindu India can't live together. It is the same problem that is going on between Israel and Palestine. And that is the same problem going on in Nigeria. But we are pretending and trying to be politically correct, religiously blind, and fooling ourselves, thinking that, oh, one day we could get it right. How? There should be an empirical data that will show you that this country is going to work. You don't have it available. Things are getting worse every day. The government officials are sponsoring terrorists against their people because of religion. And you are saying the country could get better tomorrow. Let us stop dreaming and start facing reality, so that we'll be able to tell our children in the future how the truth is. Because many people are still going to lie to their children that where they came from is this, is that. God forbid. Your children will grow up to discover that you lied to them. Anyway, it is what it is. So that is all I have to say about this particular comment, that people are saying that they want me to start reporting good news. No problem. Let's hope for the good news.